So, as I said before, I'm not going to touch any of this at all for now because there's instructions that I need to read carefully, and you guys can read in your own time should you feel like it's there. But I'm not going to do that live on camera right now because what if I need to return it? I won't want to do that. So let's see if I grab this cool thing called the iPhone mini, how easily it would go in. Let's see, I think it probably would go in pretty easily. And if you look at it like this is kind of what you're going to get. You're going to get the sparkly purple with the black. I'm going to do the same thing with the other one to see which one I like best, and then we're going to probably return the one that does not look as good in my opinion.
Likey.